Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well. Today we are going to revise page number 166 and 168. On this page, as you can see, we are going to revise chapter area and perimeter. The question here is find the length of the unknown side and the perimeter of each of the following figures in this chapter, and we have to complete the table as well. So in this chapter there were two figures, rectangles and squares. As you can see here, all the figures are rectangles except this figure C. This is a square. So in square there are three elements. In this chapter we had three elements. The length of all the four sides would have the same length, area and perimeter. Three elements for squares and four elements for rectangles. Because there is a shorter side and a longer side, the longer one is known as length and the shorter side is known as breadth. So there will be two sides, this one, and the area and this perimeter. So four elements for this rectangle. Now the given elements are area and one side, and you have to find the other side and the perimeter for each of the figure. And you also have to complete the table. You have to complete the rows for each figure. For example, for figure A you will complete this row. You will for figure A you will write the area in this column. This is the area. Then you see longer side is given, so this will be the length of this rectangle. You will write it in the lengths column, and then you will find the breadth. How you will find? As you can see, if one side is given and you have to find the other side, this is the formula. Unknown side is equal to, you will divide the area by the given side. Here you will divide this 48 with this 8 and you will get the unknown side. When you will get the unknown side, you would have breadth as well. You would have length that is given here, and you have breadth as well. Now you can find the perimeter of the rectangle. The formula for perimeter of rectangle is this. You already know this: length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Perimeter is the distance around a figure. You have to go around the boundary of the figure. All four sides will be added. So this is the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Similarly, be careful with the units. For example, as you can see here with this figure B, the area and the length, shorter side breadth are given in meters and meter square. So here I have written meter square. With length, breadth and perimeter you will write meter. Here in figure C, the area is 100 centimeter square. So the length of square, length and breadth are same. So here we can write length is 10 centimeter, breadth will also be 10 centimeter. We do not call it breadth because this is the same. The length is always same in squares. All the four sides are of same length, but here it is written breadth, so you will write 10 centimeter here as well, and then you will find the perimeter by this formula. You will multiply length with 4. Now you can do this page by applying these formulas. Keep them in mind, and you have to do the rough work on some rough page, and you have to fill this table here. Now moving on to the next page. Now the next page is 168. These are the word problems related to time. A music class starts at 20:45. This is the time 20:45 and ends at 22:05. Starting time and ending time is given. How long does the class last? Class last means what is the duration for the time, for how much time it took. So you know, duration is ending time minus starting time. You know this formula, it is in your book and you have already done it. So you have to subtract starting time from ending time. So you will write ending time first, then you will write starting time. Then here you can see you will subtract minutes from minutes and hours from hours. They are done separately. Now you can see 5 is smaller than 45, so we have to go to hours and we will take 1 hour from it. So okay, we have gone to hours, we will take 1 hour, it will become 21, and 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 will come here. Now 60 plus 5 is 65. You will cut this 5, you will write 65 here. Now you will consider 65. Now you will do the normal subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 5 and 6 minus 4 is 2. 20. Now hours done. 21 minus 20 is 1. So it is duration, so you will write 1 hour 25 minutes, not 125. It is not the time, it is duration. So this is the answer. As the subtraction of time is very important. If the minutes are smaller, you will take 1 hour from the hours side and it will become 60 here. You will add the minutes, 60 in the minutes that were already there, and you will write the minutes by adding 60. Okay, now next question. Jane finished her dinner at 19:10. So first thing, that Jane finished her dinner at 19:10 and after dinner she walked for 35 minutes. As you can see here, she finished her dinner at 19:10 and then she took a walk for 35 minutes. Then she spent 1 hour 45 minutes doing her homework. Then time spent on homework is 1 hour and 45 minutes. After that she listened to music until 21:55. Now there is another activity, that is music, and she has done it from this point till 21:55, as you can see. Now the question is, how much time did she spend listening to music? We want the duration for music. How much time she took for this activity? The duration is, as we know, as we have seen, duration is ending time minus starting time. So we need duration for this activity. So this is the ending time and this is the starting time, which is unknown. We want duration for music, so we also need this starting time for this activity, for the time when she started listening the music. So if we will add 35 minutes to this 19:10 and 1 hour 45 minutes to this, we will reach to this point. For example, from 19:10 35 minutes, then 1 hour 45 minutes, we will reach to this point. So when we are going, then we will add these three. So minutes in minutes and hours in hours. 10 plus 35 plus 45 is equal to 90. And then we have added hours into hours. 19 plus 1 is 20. When we have done the addition, we will see, are our minutes smaller than or greater than 60? If they are equal to or greater than 60, we will subtract 60 from them. See? And we will give these 60 minutes to the hour side. It will become 1 hour. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, as you can see here. So 90 minus 60 has become 30, and this hour added to our side has become 21. So our time is 21:30, because there is no time as 20:90. There is no such time. So we have made it 21:30. Now we will write 21:30 here. We have found out the time when she started listening to the music. Now we have the starting time and the ending time. So duration is subtracting starting time from the ending time. As we have subtracted starting time from the ending time, we have the duration that is 25 minutes for this music. So we have gotten our answer.